What are some things that you wanted to do but didn't get the chance to do them?
There were a number of areas without street lights. Numerous areas were in darkness, and I provided street light for those areas. There were street lights that were needed in Tank Lane, street lights that were needed at Lighthouse Road, street lights that were needed in Hamilton Mountain, Kidland, Canopon, Ponside, Old Tom, several areas across the division. There were areas that were without water, any form of water source. And I had given tanks or placed tanks at strategic areas in the community. For example, Lighthouse Road was given a tank, and then the water truck from the parish council would come and fill that particular tank. One was provided to Brooklyn Road. No, two were provided to Brooklyn Road. One was provided to Lookout, and the other one was provided to the people of Masonall. And then periodically, water would be trucked to these areas that are strategically located where no pipeline exists. There are a number of communities too where garbage collection has never been done, and I ensure that the garbage garbage was collected in those areas. For example, Kidland has never had garbage collection. Brooklyn Road too has never had garbage collection. And when I became councillor, I ensured that garbage was collected in those particular areas. The Hamilton Mountain Community Center was without windows. Some of the windows, it was a community center that was built, but it was incomplete. So I had provided 6 windows for that community center, and this was done out of my own pocket. I got no government funding. It was my personal money that I had used to put in those windows at the Hamilton Mountain Community Center. And it was my money too that I had used to place strategically the tanks in the communities that where they were placed.